Welcome, engineers! Today we're exploring the Thermal Equilibrium Interactive Calculator, a tool that solves heat transfer problems between two bodies reaching thermal equilibrium. This calculator determines the final temperature when two objects at different temperatures come into contact, or calculates the heat energy transferred between them. It's essential for thermal system design, heat exchanger analysis, and process engineering applications. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. The options are calculate final temperature for two bodies, calculate heat transfer, calculate initial temperature body 1, calculate initial temperature body 2, calculate M1C1 product, or calculate M2C2 product. For our demonstration, we'll select calculate final temperature two bodies. The input fields are mass 1 M1 in kilograms, specific heat 1 C1 in joules per kilogram Kelvin, initial temp 1 T1 in degrees Celsius, then mass 2 M2 in kilograms, specific heat 2 C2 in joules per kilogram Kelvin, and initial temp 2 T2 in degrees Celsius. Let's work through an example. Imagine mixing hot water with cold water. Enter 0.250 kilograms for mass 1, 4186 for specific heat 1, and 85.0 degrees for initial temp 1. For the cold water, enter 0.500 kilograms for mass 2, 4186 for specific heat 2, and 20.0 degrees for initial temp 2. Click Calculate. The calculator shows our final temperature is 35.2 degrees Celsius, and the heat transfer is 1,500 joules. These outputs tell us the equilibrium temperature both bodies will reach and the total thermal energy exchanged between them. Remember, always verify your specific heat values match your material's actual properties at the operating temperature range. Find the link in the description below.